Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alamance County, Guilford County, until 10 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greensboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, McLeansville, Elon, Summerfield, Gibsonville, Pleasant Garden, Paul River State Park, Lake Guilford, McIntosh Marina, and Forest Oaks. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina.